Seated straddle leg lifts. You're gonna be building strength in the hip flexor and the quadriceps with this. The rectus femoris specifically, working to keep your leg nice and straight. These are here for some fun. It's just a nice little added challenge. You do not need these to be so high. Putting the monkey foot around your foot, obviously, you're gonna put a light weight in here. You may need to start without weight before adding load. This is 2.5 pounds. I'm gonna be lifting the leg, trying to keep my knee as straight as possible. It's gonna really activate your rectus femoris here. You may need to foam roll it with the Animalhouse foam roller before doing this exercise to prevent cramping. Lifting the leg over each obstacle. Obviously, if you want it to be harder, you lift this higher. As a result, you have to lift the leg even higher up. To make this easier, if you're like, I cannot even get my leg off the ground, lean back. Get a nice lean back, even onto your elbows if you need to. You'll realize you get a lot more range of motion versus if I lean forward, that's my range of motion. I gotta knock this thing over. So that is a great way to modify this exercise. Obviously, making sure you're starting with light weight. I tried this with 10, couldn't even get my leg off the floor, and I tend to do this exercise all the time. So they asked me to do this with the monkey foot, and I'm like, no way, and it works, it's amazing. I encourage you to do this. The more you get strength in hip flexors, the better they're going to feel, believe it or not. My hip flexors are tight. No, they need strength as well.